What's up guys? In this video tutorial, I wanted to show you guys how to find maximum point and minimum point on your graph. Okay, so let's get started. To find maximum and minimum, of course, we need a graph. So let's graph a equation first. So once you hit y equals, you have to type in some equation. But here, for the demo purpose, I am going to use this equation. And if you guys want to kind of like follow, just type this into your calculator also. So 0.5 x cubed minus x plus 2 is my equation. So let's hit graph. And once you hit graph, we are going to get this kind of graph, right? Okay, so how do we find maximum and minimum? So maximum here, okay, so if you look on the left side or it's the second quadrant, you'll see this maximum point or the local maximum, right? Where when the x is about -1 maybe? Okay. How about minimum? Minimum is located on the first quadrant when x is about positive 0.9-ish. Right, but that's just the estimate. We want to find the exact value. Okay, so in order to find maximum or minimum, we have to go to this key called calc. Calc is located right above your trace key on your calculator. Trace key is right next to the graph key. So if you look on top of trace key, you will see this calc with the blue color, right? And blue color means we have to press second to access it. So once we hit second and trace, it will bring us to the screen called calculate. So once we get into here, if you look on number 3 and 4, you'll see it says minimum and maximum. So how about we find the maximum first? So by using your arrow key, you can go down to number 4 and hit enter. Okay, so we're looking for maximum, and it says find or pick a left bound. So treat this maximum as a boundary or the middle bound. So from that middle bound, we have to pick a left one. So don't get too close to that middle bound, but kind of go left side a little bit more. So somewhere right there will be perfect. So just hit enter, and once you hit enter, it's going to ask you for the right bound. And same rule applies here. If this is middle, or that's where I want to find, we have to go a little bit right to it. So somewhere right there will be perfect. So just type or just hit enter. And now notice it's going to look for maximum between these 2 points or these 2 boundaries. So it says guess and yes. So just hit enter. And once you hit enter, it's going to give you that exact maximum point. So when x equals minus 0.8 and y equals 2.5, that's when the maximum happens, or the local maximum happens. And same thing for the minimum here. You just have to go to second, trace, and then number 3 is the minimum. So if you hit that, now it's gonna ask for left bound. So we just move our cursor to somewhere around there will be perfect. So if you hit enter over there, and then it's gonna ask you for the right bound. So just have to go to the right, not too much, but yeah, somewhere right there will be good. So just hit enter, and it says guess, yes, so hit enter again. And if you do, that's our point. So our minimum occurs when x equals 0.81 and y equals 1.45-ish. So yeah, that's how you find the maximum and minimum on your graph by using graph or the maximum and minimum key. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, please leave questions on the comment below. Thanks.